In this video, I will show you how to add Flipgrid as a part of one of your assignments. Once you're in your course in Canvas, along the left-hand side, click on Assignments. And then I'm going to add an assignment. Click on the button that says Plus Assignment. I'm going to get rid of that. And for the assignment name, I'm going to call this Introduce Yourself. Please provide a short video of one of the fun things you did over the summer. Underneath, I'm going to assign however many points I want to give, what assignment group I want it to be a part of. I'm just going to leave that at assignments for now. Display my grade as points. You can also select not to count it towards the final grade. And when you get to submission type, you want to make sure that it's on the external tool selection. Once you get onto the external tool, you don't have to type anything in here for the URL at first. Just click on Find. All of the external tools that you have configured already or the district has configured should appear in this list. We've already set up Flipgrid in another video, and so it is appearing here. I'm going to click on Flipgrid and then select, and you'll notice it fills in the actual link to Flipgrid. If you decide to check the Load This Tool in a new tab, it will open Flipgrid in another tab. I suggest not doing that for the younger students just because of their ability to find their way back and forth between tabs. You're going to assign it to whomever you want to in your course. You can provide a due date, you don't have to. And then I'm going to pick Save and Publish. And you'll notice that Flipgrid put my title at the top. Please provide a short video of one of the fun things that you did over the summer. And you can see that it's going to put my topic right into Flipgrid and create a new topic for that assignment. The students would click on to add their videos. With the Record a Response. Teachers can record responses to students' videos, etc. And they can save their video. This will automatically submit it to your gradebook so that you can grade it within SpeedGrader without ever having to go out into Flipgrid and locate each student's response. Everything can be done from within the Canvas shell.